Today we're going to take a look at the EJ Wax composting tumbler with a 43-gallon capacity. We'll have a link to this tumbler in the description below.
This composting solution has a relatively easy assembly using very small bolts and nuts. You can do most of the assembly with a Phillips head screwdriver and an 8mm socket.
The bin itself consists of 2 octagonal side panels joined together by 7 rectangular panels and a door panel. When my wife and I put it together, we already had a good amount of compost that we would be adding to it right away, so we left one of the panels uninstalled to allow a wide opening through which we could shovel our existing compost. The leg assembly is very straightforward and relies on push-button spring clips and just inserting a few metal rods together. One rod goes straight through the middle and sits on top of the stand that you end up building. Some longer bolts are used to fix this rod to the stand. The bolts fastening the axle rod to the stand uses a 10mm lock nut to prevent it from loosening, but it also makes it harder to tighten. We found that using a ratcheting spanner was helpful in this case given the length of the bolt.
It took us a while to figure out where we were going to place the new composting tumbler. We didn't want it too close to the house or where we may be relaxing on the porch because it may attract flies or have a smell. Once we found a good spot, we had to level out the ground.
We also laid some pavers down in the spot to make it even more sturdy. We love the fact that we now have much more space than we did before, and that we have 2 separate compartments so that we can immediately add new materials we've been waiting to compost, and we don't have to mix it in with material that is already nearly recycled. Once we added our old compost, we secured in the final panel. From now on, we'll use the doors to add new material.
Thanks for watching this video, and if you're so inclined to buy this composting tumbler, there's a link below in the description. Please hit the like button if you found this interesting, and subscribe to our channel for more of this kind of content. See you next time!